Manufacturing engineers face critical cleaning challenges with ever smaller, complex device components. Tasked with driving costs down while delivering manufacturing advancements in efficiency, quality, and safety, brings vapor degreasing to the forefront of cleaning options. During the 1990s, in manufacturing industries, Aqueous Cleaning Technology replaced vapor degreasing when most vapor degreasing solvents were phased out due to environmental concerns. Current cleaning technology advancements have produced new, safer, environmentally friendly solvents that are highly effective, more affordable cleaners. Vapor degreasers are designed to contain, recycle, and reuse cleaning solvent. The process concentrates soil and contaminants, minimizing waste disposal. In contrast, Aqueous Systems generally dilute contaminants, making waste disposal more complex and costly. Compared to aqueous solutions, vapor degreaser solvent consumption is measured in pounds per week instead of gallons per hour. To cost justify the expense of switching from existing water-based cleaning systems to vapor degreasing involves computing the total cost per part cleaned, where your profits are made or lost. Developing a cleaning scorecard is essential to compare cleaning technologies. The lowest price machine or lowest cost per liter cleaning fluid is usually irrelevant to the economics of cleaning, which should calculate total cleaning costs. Determine your cleaning fit first, the production and cleaning capacity necessary to meet your needs. Then compare the systems that fit your capacity by computing which system produces clean parts at the lowest total cost. Prepare a checklist of cleaning costs that includes one-time capital expenses, setup costs, throughput factors, and operating costs. Labor costs deserve special attention in identifying manual interventions, inspections, maintenance, engineering, and training time. With accurate and impartial scoring, you can confidently choose a long-term cleaning process that is the most cost-effective, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Visit MicroCare.com or call 1-800-638-0125 to help find your optimal cleaning solution, because it's time to take a closer look at the new face of vapor degreasers and discover perfectly clean.